Hey everybody, this is Denver with Nash Powersports and you're watching Nash Powersports YouTube. Today's unboxing will be on the M3 two-person air pumper system by Rugged Radios. You may have seen the video earlier about the Bell Qualifier forced air helmet. Well, this is the kit that connects right up to that. Starting at $325, these kits are available at all of our Nash locations. Breaking into the kit, we find some mounting bolts, the waterproof power connector, and then of course the air pumper itself. This air pumper is a dual helmet outlet, weighs only 1.6 pounds, has a low current draw of 3.4 amps, has a removable cover, and has a washable dry media air filter. Sold separately at $28.99 each are the hoses that connect your air pumper to your helmet. These start off at 2 feet, but will expand all the way to 6 feet. They are durable, but also not hard to put back together when you're done racing for the day. Hooking up your M3 pumper kit to your helmet is actually very easy to do, as I'm sure you would assume. Take one end of your hose and plug it into the bottom hose connection on your M3 pumper. Then take the other end and connect it to your helmet. It's that easy. As you can see, the connection is sturdy and watertight, and you don't have to use both hoses. Also sold separately are cap covers, so if you just want to go by yourself, you can close up the other connection. Connecting the power for your M3 pumper system is easy as simply plugging it in and then connecting it to the power bus on your unit. On the X3 models, the most common place to mount the M3 pumper system is directly between the driver and the passenger in the front. So there you have it, guys, the M3 two-person air pumper system by Rugged Radios. Stop by Nash Powersports dealership today, pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching.